What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Philip from PR Creative Studio, and today we're looking at how to download quality images on Google for graphic designs. Yeah, it's kind of a lot of graphic designers have a challenge of downloading quality images on Google. So let's jump into it real quick. Alright, so you open your Google Chrome app, and let's say you want to download a background image, as let's say a church auditorium. Yeah, I think I have a real search here. Alright, so you open images like this. Yeah, so you have a lot of options here, and yeah, so you can select any of them. Yeah, so these pictures actually are taken in different sizes with different cameras. So what you have to do is that, because you'll be working on a Photoshop and most of your clients will be printing most of your works, what you're supposed to do is that you have to get a high resolution image from Google. So what you have to do is that you come to tools right here, click on tools, and then you have options like the color, size, type, time, usage rights. Okay, so because you want a high resolution, you come to size, and then you have icon, medium, large size. So because of your works will be printed, you just have to choose large. Yes. So these images are to give you these options, and these ones are highly resoluted. Yes, so you can just have a look of this, and then you can just right click here and come to save image as. Yes, and then you save. That's it. So that's it for today.